database. So I'm assuming you have already installed NetBean. This is the new version, NetBean 16. You also have XAMPP server. So let's start. So I start here, the Apache, the web server, also the relational database, mysql. So let me create a simple table, then connect. Okay, so then go type localhost / php admin my computer is a bit slow. Let's wait. So as my computer is a bit slow, okay, it's loading. Okay, as you can see here, these are the tables. So if you have, it's your first time installing XAMPP, you're going to have 5 tables here. So here I've created some tables. So let me create a simple table here. So I'm going to call this database. So let's say connection. Okay, call it whatever you want. Click on create. So it has been created successfully. As you can see, then I enter the table name. I'll just say user table. So this is the table name, and I'll just create like three columns. And here I'll say ID, the int, then auto increment here, which means it will automatically be generating. I don't have to enter the values. Then here primary key, then the next field, just say name. Here it's going to be virtual character range 255, and enter whatever you want here. Password also make it virtual 255. Then for the that's all. Then I will go to save. This is just an example. I go to save. So now we have this table. Now as you can see, this is the table. We have 3 fields: ID, name, password. So I'm not inserting anything here. I was just going to demonstrate how I can connect to this database we have created connection. So the next thing you should have before we start, you should download my SQL connector. So this driver, you need it. Me, I've already downloaded it. I downloaded it. It is in my computer. So you need to download that. So you can pause the video and go and download. Then let's open NetBean. So I'm going to create a new project here. So new project, I'll select Java with ANSI, then Java application, click on next. Then the name for the project, I'll just say connection TP. Then do I have to create the main class for this? Yes. So this has to be marked. Then finish. Wait for it. So, okay, this is the project, created the project. So this is where we're going to write our code. So now, before that, we need to download this. So this is the website here, as you can see, downloads.mysql. So this is the version of the Java connector J. This is 0. This is the one I'm using. I've already downloaded. So download this. I have downloaded this. It is here, as you can see. Then the next thing, go to NetBeans after downloading the connector J. Then go to, as you can see here on this navigation, I have projects, files. So go to the services. To the services here, I have already connected here to the MySQL server at port 3306. So if you haven't connected here, you can click on the database and say new connection. Then you select what you add here. I've already added. You add here the connector J. So let me remove it and show you. So I click on add. Then I locate the folder where my MySQL connector J is residing. Then I add it. After adding it, I click on next. Now after I click on next, now I can give names here: the host, the port number, the database I want to connect to, the root, the password. If you have inserted the password, then you test the connection here if it is connecting. As you can see, the message here, connection successful. Then you click on next. So for each database connection, the services window only show objects from one database schema. Then you click on finish. Then you are done. As you can see, me, I've already connected it, and these are the tables that are in this database. Let me show you. PHP. As you can see, these are the tables and they are the same which are showing in NetBeans. So I'm already connected here. I can disconnect this here, but I've already so connect. Then after that, let's go back now and write the connection. So back to the program here. So the class for the program, the name is called connection TP. So first thing, you have to import what? You have to import the MySQL connector J in your project. So in this connection TP, my project, I go to the library, then I right click, then go on property. I have to add it to the class path here. So I click on the class path, then add JR or folder. So then I select the MySQL connector J, then I add it to the class path. As you can see, now it is added. Now let's write the code. So instead of wasting a lot of time, I've already prepared the code, so you can follow along as I paste this. So you need this. You have to import this connector, MySQL connector, the driver, and the MySQL exception for handling the exceptions. So you import this. So I have to paste it here. Then after pasting, I go now to the main class. The main starts here. So again, I select, starting from here, everything up to here. So I'm going to explain what all this code do. So now this I've created, oops, have some errors here. That's not what I expected. Okay, now here I've set connection con. This is just a variable and I've initialized it to know this is a variable of type connection class. So this is a class connection. Then here in the try and catch block I write like this: class dot for name. This is the driver. I'm writing the driver which is needed for the connection. Then here con equal to driver get connection. This is where now we put everything. So from the port, as you can see, the host name here, the port for this is this one, 3306. So if it's 306, you put the port here, number 3306. The database, what is the database name? The database name that I've already created is called what? It's called connection. So you write it exactly the way it is. So here for the database I want to connect to is connection. Now here for the username for your server, for your MySQL, here the default is root, so you can just put root here. Then the password, if you have, now me I haven't like placed any password, so I will just leave it empty. Then if the connection is successful, I'm going to print this connection to the database successful. Then I have to close the connection, so I call this function on this variable of connection class. Then here I throw some exception. If the driver is not found, I'll say mysql JDB driver not found, and this is a function that traces the error or the exception. Then here again I catch mysql exception. This is a variable. Connection to the database fails. If it fails to connect, then that's it. So now I'm having some errors. What is this saying? Change package duration. Okay, so I've cleared that error. Now we can learn. So guys, type exactly the way I've typed here, the code exactly like this, starting from here up to here. So exactly like this. Then also don't forget to import these, they are very important. Then let's test. So I'm going to click on learn and let's see if I'm going to connect to the database. It's going to display a message on the console saying connection to the database successful. So let's wait. So I'm waiting for the output on the console. The connection DB. So has failed, a known exception, no such host is known. So guys, the connection to the database has failed. So connection to the database failed. So let's correct some errors. So let me check here. Let me remove this trace, print trace, print stack. Yeah. So let me try to run it again and see what's going to be printed on the console. Let's wait. You see, connection to the database again failed. So what could be wrong? Let me check. So the host name, oh sorry, I forgot the host name here. It has to be localhost. This is localhost. Yes, localhost. Okay, so here you put localhost, then the port number, then the database name, the username, then the password if there is a password to your database. Now I've left it empty because there is no password on my. Okay, now let's learn and see if we get connected. See, connection to the database successful. So I've successfully connected to the database that I've created, which is called the connection. So guys, this is how you connect your Java program to the mysql database in NetBeans. So copy this code exactly as it is, then try out using your own credentials and details in the database that you are going to create, the root and also the password. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.